Let's begin by downloading the Mechanisms app. This can be done by searching for Mechanisms in either the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and sign in by hitting the button in the upper right-hand corner. If you don't already have an account, create an account using your school email, your desired password, your first name, and your last name. Then tap Create Account. Once you have created your account, you will receive a message notifying you that you should be receiving a verification email. Tap OK and navigate to your email to verify your email address. Next, tap on the gear icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Enter your course code, then tap OK. The first 40 Mechanisms puzzles are free. There's 10 for each of the first 4 sections. To purchase a subscription, tap the shopping cart button or one of the locks on the content. From here, you can purchase a 6-month subscription through either the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. This will unlock all of the puzzles.